Okay, SC17 Student Cluster Competition. We're here with Team Illinois, University of Illinois at Urbana, Champaign. I remember back in the day when it was Champaign, Urbana. Those were good days.
It's a castle. I mean, I'm not sure why the university wants to call it that, but the city calls that.
Oh well.
Yeah. Anytime you get these twin cities, someone's got to be first, someone's got to be last, right? So
I guess it's going to change every few decades.
yeah.
So tell me what's going on, who you are, what you're doing, all that kind of stuff. Let's introduce everybody.
Yeah, so this is the University of Illinois team. This is our second time at the competition. Our team captain, Yan.
Second time. So this is actually the second time for me to compete in the competition.
Okay.
Yeah, I was in there last year in the SC17 competition. So we assembled this team after the competition, and so do you want us to just go around and introduce ourselves?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm Yan. I'm a senior in computer engineering. So I have been working in the Supercomputer Center, which is an NCSA on campus, for system administration and accelerators like GPUs in general.
Okay.
I have been working on that for 2 years, and hence the reason why we started this.
Good.
Yeah. So,
Who's
and then
up?
you want to?
Yeah. So I'm Landon Klipp. I am a senior in computer engineering. I work for the NCSA doing writing programs on the Blue Water supercomputer for atmospheric science.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, so I applied to this team, what was it, in the spring?
Was it a brutal, grueling process?
It was
to get
very
on?
terrible. Never want to do it again. Yeah, but I got accepted to the team. I was super excited about that. This is really just another step in me in high performance computing and just expanding my skills with everything. And this has been a really, really fun process for me. Most of the work that I've done is primarily revolving around applications and not really around system administration, which is more what this competition is about.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully I can come back in future years and keep doing this.
Love to have you.
Yeah.
So what do you do? And who are you?
My name's Roshan. I'm the youngest one on this team, junior, so not that young.
Okay.
But I'm a computer engineering student at the University of Illinois. What I primarily focused on was the Mr. Bayes application.
Okay.
After being excited to join the team, right, we kind of delegated the tasks to see who could completely focus, right, because you can't focus on everything, right?
Yeah.
So we delegated a task. I had the opportunity to work with Mr. Bayes, and it's been one heck of a ride. Figuring out how to deal with models and making sure your models are correct. Is there anything
I was
else?
just wondering. Yeah, no, that's good stuff.
I guess I come from a background that I've been interested in the HPC community and some of the cool stuff. So I was really excited to get the opportunity not only to be a part of this competition, but also to see what people are doing in industry and academia. Right? It's I can literally step out and see experts in these fields. Right?
Yeah.
So it's really awesome. Not only as an opportunity for me to as a junior, so I can potentially come back next year and really grow, and then also make connections so that I could learn more for future competitions,
job, whatever you want to do.
whatever I need. Yeah.
Excellent. Well, thank you.
So, hi, my name is Mang. I'm a senior in electrical engineering, but I'm specialized in computer engineering, so it's kind of weird. So my job at this competition is to work on the HPCG benchmark. I collaborated with Yan on building the system, and we also optimized our usage of our GPUs to maximize our performance. And although we didn't get the largest number on the benchmark, but I think our performance compared to per GPU is pretty good.
Ah.
Yeah, we believe we have made the most of out of our hardware.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
so
good.
yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. So to add to that, I'm actually also taking care of the HPO benchmark.
Okay.
Yeah. So
How do you feel about your HPL? How did it do?
well, so we're not the team with the most hardware.
Yeah.
That's for sure. But we have discovered some bottlenecks in our system. But I think, given our current constitution, we have made our best effort to get every inch of performance out of it.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Cool.
So well.
Let's see. Over here.
Hi, so I'm Daniel. I'm a senior in computer science, and I've always been interested in low-level topics like systems, networking, architecture, stuff like that.
Getting right down to the hardware.
Yeah, exactly.
Very cool.
So I've been trying to kind of find my niche, and I feel like high-performance computing and supercomputing is really where it's at after I've come to this conference. And so
that's great.
my place on the team is to do the reproducibility application.
Okay.
There's a paper presented at the conference last year about performance portability and calculating Tursoff potentials in molecular dynamic simulations. And so our goal is to reproduce the paper, and that's my main focus on the team.
How's that going?
It's going pretty well. I was surprised to see that not only did our results reproduce the paper, but they better proved the researchers' conclusions. So I was very happy
really?
to see that.
Well, that's very cool.
Yeah.
Now, wouldn't it have been better, though, if you could have come out and said, no, this is a lie, it's wrong?
Yeah, I'm a little nervous about that because it seems like maybe we're trying a little bit too hard or something there, you know?
But you got it.
Yeah.
And they got it. So everybody's good. Well, thank you so much, and we'll come back and check in with you soon. You want something else to say?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
So in addition to our 6 team members here, we actually also selected 9 understudy members this
wow.
year.
Okay.
Yeah, out of our application pool, including actually 3 female members.
Okay.
And one of them is a very talented freshman who has
good.
actually participated in SC17 as a high school student with NERSC.
Oh, good. So
Yeah.
you're going to be keeping the team going
Yeah,
then.
so look forward to that team
Yeah.
next year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Well, thank you again. We'll talk to you soon.